Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Anam. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about our daily routine in the past, using the past simple tense. If you watched my previous video about daily routines in the present simple, this is a perfect next step for you. So get ready to learn new grammar, vocabulary, and speak with confidence. The past simple tense is used to talk about things that happened in the past yesterday, last week, last year, or even just an hour ago. We often use it when we talk about a finished time. For example, I woke up at Anam yesterday. She went to school last Monday. They played football in the evening. Do you see how we change the verb? Wake becomes woke, go becomes went, and play becomes played. Here I will explain through the story. Yesterday, I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I got out of bed and brushed my teeth. Then, I took a quick shower and got dressed. I ate 2 boiled eggs and drank a cup of tea for breakfast. After that, I left home at Anam and went to work. At work, I answered emails, attended a meeting, and finished some reports. I had lunch with my friend at p.m. In the afternoon, I worked on a new project until p.m. Then I came back home, feeling tired. In the evening, I relaxed, watched a movie, and cooked some rice and vegetables for dinner. Finally, I went to bed at p.m. and slept well. Let's go through a simple daily routine, but this time using past simple verbs. I woke up at 7 o'clock a.m. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I worked until p.m. I came home. I watched TV. I cooked dinner. I slept at p.m. In the past simple, verbs are either regular or irregular. Regular verbs just add ed at the end. Examples: play played, cook cooked, clean cleaned, watch watched. Irregular verbs, they change completely. You need to memorize them. Examples: go went, eat ate, have had, wake woke, take took, tip. Start making your own list of irregular verbs and review it daily. Grammar structure: affirmative sentences, subject plus past verb. I watched TV. She cooked dinner. Negative sentences, subject plus did not plus base verb. I did not watch TV. He did not eat lunch. Questions: did plus subject plus base verb. Did you go to school? Did she clean her room? Remember, in questions and negatives, we use the base form of the verb, not the past form. Practice time. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence in the present, and you change it to the past. I wake up at 6:30. I woke up at 6:30. She eats breakfast. She ate breakfast. They go to the gym. They went to the gym. He watches TV. He watched TV. We take the bus. We took the bus. Great job! Now let's do the opposite. I'll say a past sentence. You say it in the present. 1. I woke up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30. 2. She ate breakfast. She eats breakfast. 3. They went to the gym. They go to the gym. 4. He watched TV. He watches TV. 5. We took the bus. We take the bus. Vocabulary Corner. Here are 10 useful daily routine verbs in their past forms. Base form, past simple. Wake woke, eat ate, go went, take took, brush brushed, cook cooked, watch watched, study studied, sleep slept, work worked. Try using 3 of these in a sentence in the comments. Mini story example. Let's hear a short story using past simple. Yesterday, I woke up at a.m. I brushed my teeth and took a shower. Then I ate eggs for breakfast. I went to work and worked all day. After work, I came home, cooked dinner, and watched a movie. I slept at 10. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Tell me your yesterday routine in the comments. I'll reply and help you correct any mistakes. Great work, everyone! Today you learned how to describe your daily routine in the past simple tense. You practiced grammar, learned new vocabulary, and listened to a short story. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson on Learn English with Anam. Bye.